Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your account and device so activation is smooth. Sign into the Google account you want to use. This links history and contacts. Make sure your active phone number is ready for SMS or call verification because Google will confirm ownership. Use the Chrome browser or the official app on Android or iPhone for best compatibility. Once done, open Voice. Google, Com or the app, choose a new voice number or pick an existing number, and proceed to the verification step. You now configure the number and core features, which determines how calls route. If you select a new number, search by city or area code and claim it. If you port, follow the port out instructions and have your account info ready. Grant microphone and contacts permissions so calls and voicemail work across devices. Then, set call forwarding destinations and record a voicemail greeting. Make sure linked devices are added so you receive calls on your phone, web, and tablet simultaneously. You finish by validating every path a call or message can take. Testing confirms configuration. Place a call and send an SMS from the new Google Voice number to verify caller ID and delivery. Then, fine-tune preferences. Enable Do Not Disturb, set ring schedules, and adjust notification sounds so behavior matches your routine. If things go wrong, re-verify the phone number, check app permissions, and confirm billing or porting status. One key tip: clear app cache or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.